Yo, what up YouTube EX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys right now. So this video is a little bit different for you guys. So I'm going to be talking about, if you guys know, like if you have an Action 4 and a Pocket 3, a lot of people want to know how to actually monitor their audio using a Bluetooth headset. Now you can use any type of headset you want. You can use a Bluetooth speaker. You can use AirPods, which I have my AirPods sitting right here. I have my Sony earbuds too. My Sony Buds, what is it, Galaxy Buds. But I'm not going to use those because the simple fact is I want you guys to be able to hear of the headphones actually picking up the monitor. So I have my DJI mic 2 sitting right here. So this is basically what you're going to need to do. So let's turn on the Pocket real quick. Okay. So we just want this to basically pick up. So there we go. Blah, 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 blah. As you can see right there, it's going up. Let's go towards settings, go to mic. And as you can see right now, it's on right now. So basically on the Action 4, you'll be able to have an option that says monitor. You could do the same thing on the Pocket 3 also. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go out real quick. So as you can see that it's still on right now. So this is what you're gonna need to do to actually get this thing to work. So one, you need your adapter piece that came with your Pocket. Connect it like so. Like that. Make sure that thing snaps into place. So I'm just going to screw this on really quick just to stand it up really fast so I get the other stuff, because I'm not going to put the Pocket down directly. All right, so this is what you're going to need to be able to get this thing to work. So I am going to use my Turtle Beach right here, my 830s right here. These are wireless right here. So this is going to be the base one for you to hear it. So this is what you need right here. This is what you're going to need. You need a USB dongle to a USB Type-C dongle to basically plug inside the Pocket 3 or your Action camera. So you need one of these. Now, if y'all know this is basically what I use to be able to go wireless with my Nintendo Switch. It does come with an adapter part to basically connect this dongle into here and plug it into the Nintendo Switch, basically into the dock station like that. So that's what that is for. You might want to get one that has Bluetooth, I think 5.0, 2.4, I think it's 2.4, 2.5, whatever, Bluetooth. It has delay on it, so you're gonna have a latency problem for about a second. So basically what you want to do, turn your headset on. So I'm gonna turn it on right now. Okay, so my headset is on right now. So I'm gonna take the dongle, which is this right here. I'm trying to keep my hand from showing up in the video, but it's okay if y'all see it, don't matter. My hand is still healing. So this is the dongle right here, as you can see right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in the back right here. And I'm gonna hold this. As you can see, the lights came on. Okay, so I'm gonna hold this. So it goes into pair mode. So you see 1, 2. Now I could connect 2 headsets towards it right here if I want to, but I'm going to keep this on B. So I want to do this. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my headsets in Bluetooth mode. Okay, you see it's blue on the headset. Okay. So it looked like it connected towards this one. No, it's not. It's not flashing just yet. There we go. It's connected. Now you should be able to hear it. So you see that 2 lights right there. Now let me get my headsets real quick. Put it right here. I'm gonna put it close to my other microphone for you guys right now, real quick. So I'm gonna put this microphone on my shirt. Actually, no, I'm gonna put it right here. Let me take off my mic that's on my shirt. Okay. So this is what you guys here. I'm gonna put this right here. Put it inside the cup. So here's the mic too. So now you hear it. So you can hear me, and you can hear this. So you can see it like that. So let's put both together really quick. Put the headsets right here. So now can you hear me? So now. I'm sorry if I'm yelling, but let's put this over here inside the ear cup. Because now I should be further away from the microphone, so I should have some type of distance from me. Put this inside the cup. Can you hear me? Because I'm talking to this right here. Can you hear me? Testing, 1, 2, 3. You should be able to hear me and the echo that's going on. The echo that you're hearing is coming from the headset. So yeah, this is how you actually do it. And I'll put a link in the description of something like this so you can actually do it. So let's put this down. And now that it's down, you probably can't hear it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna talk into this like that, and I'm gonna turn off the mic so you can actually see that's no longer coming through the other mic. So I'm gonna talk and I'm gonna power it down. So I'm gonna keep talking, blah 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 blah. And now you see the mic is completely off, and you don't hear nothing come through the headset. And now you can hear how far distance I am with my mic. So now I'm like directly on it right now. So I'm gonna put this back on my shirt. The magnet. And that's how you monitor it right there. And as you can see, the lights are still on for it right here. But I turned off the microphone towards this. And let's turn this around real quick. And as you can see right there, you're no longer seeing the audio coming from this mic because I turned it off. So that's basically how you do it. So guys, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, be part of the DYEZ gang, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.